Hi everybody, welcome back to OC Aviary, where today we're going to be looking at a bird that hasn't featured much on the OC Aviary YouTube channel since we've had them, and that is the North Dutch Frill Canary. Now, they're not a particularly popular breed, there's not many of them on the show bench either, but I'm working on building a small stud of them, so today we're going to cover a bit of basic info on them as a breed. We're going to take a look at the individuals that I've got here, and you can let me know your thoughts on them at the end of this video in the comments section below. The North Dutch Frill is classed as an old variety canary, originating from around the late 18th century, and is believed to have been derived from the old Dutch fancy canary, obviously coming from the Netherlands. They're quite a large breed of canary, particularly in comparison to some modern day breeds such as the Border. At approximately 6 to 7 inches long, we're now going to take a quick look at a size comparison. This is a North Dutch Frill in a Fife Canary show cage. And this is a Rasa in a Fife Canary show cage. You can see that the Frill is a much larger breed of bird than is the Rasa and some of the smaller varieties. There are 3 areas of frills on the North Dutch Frill Canary. On the back, known as the mantle. On the breast of the bird, curling inwards towards the breastbone, known as the jabot. And the fins, coming from the thighs of the bird. The frills are, of course, of major importance to a show bird. They ought to be symmetrical and primarily around the centre of the body of the bird. Too much frilling is seen as a fault, and the bird will be knocked back in an exhibition setting if it has too many. As they are a type canary, they only come in standard colour variations, that being normal, white and cinnamon in the form of clear, variegated or self birds. In the United Kingdom, the show cages for these birds are actually meant to be rectangular. However, they're quite limited in availability at the moment, with few people making them, hence why I've got mine in a Fife show cage. That being said, these wouldn't be accepted in an exhibition if they were in this style cage. Because they're a heavily feathered breed of canary, they do require regular baths. So for my 6 pairs, I give them baths every other day, allowing them to fully preen themselves to maintain good quality feather condition. And finally, this breed of canary is a real free breeder, particularly with my birds. I had 2 pairs of them last year. We bred 12 youngsters and they were fantastic parents, hence why I've got 6 pairs for this upcoming breeding season. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today looking at the weird and wonderful breed of canary known as the North Dutch Frill, and hopefully it might have sparked your interest in keeping them. So if you have enjoyed it today and you'd like to see more, then please make sure to subscribe down below, smash a like on this video and follow us on social media, Instagram and Facebook for daily updates and behind the scenes footage of all of our birds. Now, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.